Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I am at a crossroads and I need your help. So I'll jump right into it. Basically, what is currently happening is that right now, because of certain personal circumstances in my life, I am not able to go out as much out of the home basically. So this channel obviously is dependent on reviews. Half of the content of the channel is reviews. So trailer reactions is one, like reaction is one part of it and review is another part of it. But because for the next couple of months I won't be able to get out of the house as much because of certain things that are happening in the personal front, the review part is at stake. Basically, the new releases. See, whenever a trailer drops, I will do the reaction, I will share my thoughts. But when the movie releases in the theater, I won't be able to go and review them. Like, I won't be able to go and watch them and review them. So once they're out in the OTT, I'll be able to watch and share my thoughts. But then by that time, the hype of the movie goes away. So I am really at a loss at how I should steer the content of this channel for the next couple of months, and I really cannot give a definite timeline of when this would end because I myself don't know. So I need your help, guys. I really need your help because you are the viewers, and your feedback really matters because you are going to be the ones watching the video. So maybe once the movie comes out in OTT, I can make a small reel and share my thoughts about that film, but that's later. But what kind of other videos do you want me to make? If I'm not able to review the film upon its release, then that's a big chunk of the content that I won't be able to do, right? So yes, trailer reactions, maybe interview reactions, and all those reactions I'll be able to do, but I have to ensure that there is some sort of consistency where I talk about movies and something related to movies or series or whatnot comes on this channel that you are interested in watching. So I'm asking you guys, what else would you like to watch? Besides the reactions and maybe some films that have been extremely hyped, and once they come on OTT and I'll be able to review them, maybe you want that review. So what other kind of content would you want me to curate for this particular channel, for which I am really not dependent to go out and watch the film in the theater? I'll be really grateful to you guys if you tell me, because you are the ones who's going to watch, right? Because for the other channel, the music reaction channel, that's not really a problem because it's not really dependent on external things, right? All the music gets released on YouTube and I can make a reaction, be it the new songs, be it the classical older songs. So for this particular channel, because a very big chunk of the content is not going to get curated for the next couple of months, and it's really not in my hands. If it was, I wouldn't be making this video. So I'm asking you guys because I am at a loss. I have been thinking about it. There are a couple of ideas in my head, but I really want to know from you guys. So yes, I'm reiterating it again and again that I need your help. So please jump into the comments, share your ideas, because what you write is ultimately going to become the final content for the next couple of months for me. So yes, thank you for watching.